Good morning, students. Today's topic is chapter numbers, that is your first chapter, and we are just going to go through some of the basic concepts that you have practiced in your previous classes. So, there are two forms, standard form and expanded form. So, standard form is like a number, and expanded form is like this in this form. So 65,000 can be written as 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. I have taken one more example over here, 18,379. This is the standard form. Next is the word form. So I am considering Indian system of numeration over here. So the first number 65,000 is how are we reading it, can be written as 65,000. Next is 18,379, which is written in the form of words. Next topic is comparison of numbers. So basically when we are comparing two or more than two numbers and arranging them in some specific order, the smallest is having the least number of digits and the greatest will have the maximum number of digits. So I've taken one example over here. Arrange the following in increasing order. Increasing means ascending or smallest to greatest. So the example is having numbers 1465, 54,153, 631, 31,635, 54,267 and 28. So the first number that will come here will be having the least number of digits, that is 28, followed by 631, 1465, 31,635, 54,153 and 54,267. If the same order you arrange from this side, from right to left, will be the descending order. Successor and predecessor, I have written two questions for this. What comes after the given whole number? The answer will be successor. And what is before the given whole number? The answer is predecessor. So I am considering two examples over here. First is, what is the successor of? Successor means one more than the given number. 10,999. So whenever you want to find the successor, you will be adding 1 to the number. So the answer here is 11,000. Second example is of predecessor. What is the predecessor of? Predecessor means one less than the given number. So the example here is 90,000. So whenever you want to find the predecessor, you subtract 1 from it. So the final answer is 89,999. Next topic is building numbers. So we are going to do some arrangements among the digits given and we are going to form different numbers from it. For example, here we have a task to make different 3-digit numbers using 4, 5, 8. So placing 4 at the first place, I can put 5 and 8, 8 and 5. Make sure you are not repeating the number if it is not asked. Second is 5, 8, 4. 5, 4, 8. Third is 8, 4, 5, 8, 5, 4. Hence, the required numbers are 4, 5, 8, 4, 8, 5, 5, 8, 4, 5, 4, 8, 8, 4, 5, 8, 5, 4. We need to understand this, that if we have three digits 0 to 5, so 0 cannot come in the hundreds place, because if we put 0 in the hundreds place, the number will become a 2-digit number. So in this case, the required numbers will be 205, 250, 500 to 520. So there are two systems of numeration. So first we are going to study the Indian system of numeration. So the periods in this system are arabs, crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. And the places are 10 arabs, arabs, 10 crores, crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Next is international system of numeration. So the periods in this case are billions, millions, thousands, ones. And the places are 100 billions, 10 billions, billions. 100 millions, 10 millions, millions. 100,000, 10,000, thousands. Hundreds, tens, ones. So I am taking one example over here and I am going to write the same example in both the systems. So the first one is 883,566,306. So we are putting the commas after 3 digits starting from the right side. In the Indian system, it is 88 crore 35 lakh 66,306. So the last topic for today is place value and face value. So I have taken an example over here. We need to find the place value and the face value of 6 in this number. So I have written the places over here: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 6 is coming at the place of 10 lakh, that is in lakhs period. So the face value of 6 or any number is the number itself. And the place value is 6 multiplied by 10 lakh. So 60 lakh is the answer. Thank you.